Hi everyone, I'm Taylor Andrews. I'm from Blue Earth, Minnesota. I'm 27 years old. I grew up with a brother and a sister. My sister has two children, so I have two nieces who I enjoy spending time with. They're 5 years old and 3 years old, so they can be a handful for sure. Just the best part about being an uncle is I can always hand them back to my sister when they're acting up. For work, I work at a company called Winnebago Manufacturing, which is a welding plant, metal fabrication shop. And mostly what we build and weld there are generators, frames they'll go on trains, boats for the Navy, and things like that. Big ships. And then we also do a bunch of other random stuff, anything you can think of. Hobbies that I have are weightlifting. I enjoy that. I also like deer hunting, goose hunting, pheasant hunting, duck hunting. Basically any type of hunting. Most of the time in the fall, you can catch me in a deer stand. I also listen to podcasts, powerlifting, and CrossFit. My reason for taking this class is I already took Chemistry 1 before this, and now I'm continuing Chemistry 2 because I need prerequisites for chiropractic school, which I'm hoping to go to at Northwestern University in Bloomington, Minnesota. And I needed the two chemistry classes before I could apply. College, I have a degree in, I have my AA degree in both liberal arts and business management. And then I also have a bachelor's degree in exercise science from Minnesota State Mankato. And other things I enjoy, sports, football, wrestling, MMA, basically any kind of contact sport. I look forward to learning more about chemistry with everyone and hope you guys have a good day.